some tips that I found that's helped me move my budget into a better place and maybe can help you too. So this is a judgment-free zone. First thing I want you to do is track where your money is going. Are you spending most of your money on rent and utilities? Going towards your shopping the most? I am obsessed, absolutely obsessed with this foundation. It literally feels like there's no makeup on. So now once we've created a baseline for what is happening in our budget in the first place, now we can go in and say, okay, these are the things that we can move around, or this is where I spend like most of my money, or I waste most of my money in. So this is maybe where I should focus some of my attention to. Typically, I will be honest with you, there are many ways to plan your budget. So some people do a zero-based budget, which is $1 to every amount equally across the board. I do what is the typical range that's recommended, which is a 50-30-20. 50% goes to utility, which is like rent, bills, things like that I cannot live without. 50%. 30% goes towards entertainment, going out, food, travel, things of that nature. 20% goes back to debt repayment, credit cards, student loans. So my 50-30-20 looks like rent, utilities, and living in a place, internet, things of that nature. To focus a little bit. Next biggest portion of money, you can kind of figure that out based off the kind of channel that I am, is clothing. I spend a lot of money on clothing. For all of February and most of March, I did not buy any clothing because I made myself a promise. I wasn't gonna shop and get clothes because I was spending too much money on clothes and I wanted my money to go to something else. I have a good old spreadsheet, okay? My spreadsheet does all what I needed to do, but I also have NerdWallet, which is my app tracker. It helps me to kind of know what's happening with my money. I have all my accounts linked in there. It tells me how much debt that I have. I have a lot of student loan debt, but no credit card loan debt. And then it will tell me also my credit card score, if there's anything fishy on my account that's been recorded. We live in Miami, so, you know, humidity is a thing. Find your app, the one that you want, that you feel is going to be helpful and just in general beneficial to you. I'm gonna be honest with yourself. I went through that problem myself. I was like, I don't know what to do, and I don't kind of want to know what to do, but I kind of do. And my fiance was like, listen, I don't want to hear it. Let's sit down. Let's look at this Excel sheet. I don't know until we try, so we try it.